almost like the day out for the cybersecurity community. There's all the vendors here, but it's always interesting to come to see what's new. There's friends, there's colleagues that I work for, there's people I haven't seen for years. So really as a visitor, it's just a chance to come and hang out, talk to the vendors, find people you know, and yeah, have a good day out.
There's a lot of business to be had here, meeting the right types of people. It's a great community.
It's a great environment to speak to your peers and start-up founders and teams who are trying to grow as well, so it gives some insights.
Some of the things I think that we've been most interested in hearing about is AI and generative AI and some of the advancements in the artificial intelligence space. Beyond that, it's ransomware, malware, passwordless seems to be a topic that's being talked about a lot.
One of the companies I met last year and actually moving to join them. So I just feel like the power of networking, sometimes you don't see it immediately, but maybe it'll come back and you'll see it like a year later.
This is a fantastic place to learn about the different market segments, if you like breaking, if you like analyzing, if you like building, and there's all of those here. And you get to learn from like-minded individuals.
I think it's fantastic. I think it's great being able to hear from market leaders and experts in the division, and also have some celebrities on stage as well.
It's massive, and all the participants over here are speaking about the use of AI, large language models, lots of information about the next decade and the next generation of the network, how it's going to be evolving, and it's certainly its core of our business. And that's why we need to learn from the vendors and, of course, apply this to our own businesses.
You even just come for one day, the amount that you'll learn in that one day will be amazing.
The amount of women here has been wonderful. It's always a very exciting event. I always make time for it every year.